So with the tabletop complete for now, gonna move into the metal shop, do some design. I think a custom bracket. I was looking at some online, but I think I want to do my own style that's going to be able to double stack 34-inch ultra wide monitors for my setup. So gonna go design and then be back to cut some more holes in here where I'll run the wires, just keep it organized. And yeah, just need some fabrication and knowing what sizes I want to go with before I put any more holes in here and ruin this piece, trying to avoid that. All right, so got this piece drilled in exactly where I want it. Probably noticed from time lapse, just did drill in one piece at a time, starting with the center and making sure this back was flush. And then going to the next one to make sure that my last one, or if I messed up one a little bit, I could correct it to make sure that this back sat flush with the back of the plywood piece. So I think it's about ready for stain. Just gonna pull this back off. Yeah, it's a real thin layer of maple on the top. So I'm probably just gonna do a very light sanding with 220 grit, and then the back could use a little rougher, but obviously not gonna be seen. Just want to clean it up, get that stain on there, and so I think that's it. We'll take this back off and get over to the other shop for stain.